Hi, Matt Capell here with Capell Flooring and Interiors here in the Treasure Valley. Hey, I've got a quick tip for you. So whether you have like a cat or a dog, or for example, you're buying a house that had a cat or a dog, and they maybe had some accidents, or maybe the dog or the cat peed in a certain area in the house, there is a way to get rid of that smell. And when you tear up your carpet, there's a product called Kilz. You can get it at any paint store. And basically you paint it on, and what that does is it eliminates the odor, gets rid of the smell, and kind of locks it away. So that way, for example, if you're trying to, like if you're moving in a house and you don't want that pet smell, you can get rid of it by just painting it onto the subfloor. Or if you had, like, for example, an older dog and they had accidents or something like that, you can pull that carpet up, paint the Kilz on that area, and then that gets rid of the smell, and hopefully and usually it makes it so they don't want to go back to that area in the future. So it's just a quick tip, but it works really well. We do it all the time, and just wanted to let you know that. So if you have any questions, please feel free to comment below. I'll respond to it and I'll get back to you. Thanks so much.